this is Janvi Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to make social media icons with cooler hover effects. Sure that this particular thing will make your website look stunning, my friends. So I want you all to see this video till last and practice this exercise to boost your CSS game. So let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? Also, let me tell you about the Newton's Grand Coding Contest, and this is very interesting. Not only the winners but also chosen participants will also get gifts and prizes. And what are those? Let's see. The total cash plus the gift prize worth 5 lakh rupees will be given for the winner. And also the registration is free. The link is in the description. I'll show you how to register for it. You have to go to this link. You have to put on your details and you need to submit it. Also, it is beginner friendly. Even if you are a beginner, you are definitely going to get various prizes here. So I would suggest go to this link and check it out. This is a great opportunity to all the beginners because the random participants are also going to get various prizes. So do participate in this event and let's see what are the more things we're gonna get. 1,000 chosen participants will get prizes with ranks more than 500. So do give it a shot, my friends, and I'm sure that you're gonna get an amazing experience in this concept and gonna learn much more things from here. So it is a win-win game, so I definitely recommend you to go and check the site and participate for it. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code. Here I have HTML boilerplate ready and let's see how to code this. So I'm gonna make one class whose name will be wrapper, and then inside that wrapper I'll make one more class whose name will be button, and inside that button class again we're gonna make another class whose class name will be icon, and inside that class we will have all of our social media icons. And after writing icon, for writing its name we will say span. First write the icon, below that write span and its name, and continue this process and copy paste both of them and write again and again for pairing up your social media icons and its name. So my friends, we are done with the CSS. So my friends, we are done with the HTML part. Now let's quickly jump into the CSS part. So as usual, we will say margin as 0, padding as 0 and box sizing as border box. Now we will target our HTML and body tag and we will say that display should be grid, height should be 100%, width should be 100%, and we're gonna use one more unique property that I don't think we haven't, and one more property we're gonna use which will be the unique ones and I don't think we have used that before, and that will be place item center. Now here as you can see, the group of these 4 properties is very useful and is a hack to make your elements properly in the center of your page. So as As you can see, we got all of our icons right in the middle, right? So these 4 properties, keep in mind: display grid, height 100%, width 100%, and place item center. These are very important to make your website, to make your elements in the middle. Okay, so now what else we gonna do? We will target our buttons, okay, and we will put them in a line. So for that reason, we will say display as inline block, and we will give it some height and width and margin. So height and width will be square, like same to make a square. Why? Because whenever we will give it border radius, it should turn as a circle. We are giving it background as red. Now I know that it doesn't look good, but we are just giving it for understanding where the position, and later we will delete it. So we will give it some border radius, cursor, pointer, and then we will give it some box shadow. I know now it's not gonna show properly, but when we will remove this red color, it will definitely do. Now what we will do, we will come back to the HTML and body, and there we will give it some background linear gradient, and we'll come again here and change its background color. Now you can see the difference, right? Okay, so we are giving it text align center so that all of our icons comes in the center of that circle. Now we will target all of our icons and increase their font size. Now we will say whenever somebody will hover on it, its width should increase and it should do it smoothly. That is why we are adding transition. Now you will see that it's not smooth, right? Something is missing. So that is why we will say float left. Now we will change the background of all the children. So that is why we are saying nth child 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now we also want that whenever we are clicking it, it should do it smoothly. So that is why we will say overflow hidden. So my friends, we are done with the CSS part, and this is how it looks like. Doesn't it look smooth and awesome? I found it really cool, and I really suggest you all to practice this and use this in one of your website, and I'm so sure that it will definitely look stunning and you can do much more better than mine, because everybody has their own creativity and potential. So yeah, let me know what do you think of this video in the comment section, and also if you have any doubt, let me know. And bye bye, have a great day.